You want to hear my least favorite citation rule? I'm Pierce from Van Dunk Edits, and in the month of June, I'm giving you 30 days of citation tips. When you're citing a book, you need to include the city where that book was published in your citation. But when do you include the abbreviation for the state where that city is located? The Chicago and Turabian guides say to include the state abbreviation when it's a lesser known city or when the city might get confused with a city with the same name in a different place, such as Cambridge, Massachusetts versus Cambridge in the United Kingdom. I despise this rule because it leaves us guessing. Who decides whether or not it's a lesser known city? You do. And you might decide differently than me, so there might be some inconsistencies from publication to publication. But I don't make the rules, I just help you follow them. If you want help following all of these rules in the Chicago and Turabian guides or even another citation style, go ahead and reach out to us at vandunkedits.com today.